Hello children, today we will do lesson 9 measurement of mass weight of your review exercise and mental math. So take out page number 144. Mental math. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 it is given 1 kg is equal to dash gram. So you know 1 kg is equal to 1000. So you can write 1000 gram. Next, number of 100 gram blocks in a 1 kg block is dash. As you have done in the previous exercise, you have to find here the same way. 1 kg block, you have to tell how many 100 gram block are there in 1 kg block. So you know in 1 kg there are 1000 gram. So what you will do, 1000 divided by 100 gram. So zeros will be cancelled. 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. So how many 100 gram blocks are there? The answer is 10. Okay. Next, the weight needed to make 2 kg 800 gram equal to 3 kg. Here it is 2 kg 800 gram means you have space down there, so you can do it 3 number there. It is given 3 kg is there. First we will take out 3 kg. We will convert it into gram. Okay. So 3 kg is equal to dash gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 3 kg will be 3 into 1000. That is your 3000 gram. Then coming to the next number, it is given 2 kg 800 gram. So you will find out how much gram it is. So as you know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kg will be 2 into 1000. That is your 2000 gram. And plus 800 gram. Since 800 is given in gram, so you have to add with 2000. So it will be 2800 gram. Okay. Now you have to find how much more weight is needed to make this 2 kg 800 gram to 3 kg. That is to make 3000 gram. So what you will do? You will simply subtract to get the answer. 3000 minus 2800 gram. So 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 0. Here you will have to borrow 10. Here remain 2. 10 minus 8 2. 2 minus 2 0. So you will have 200 gram. So the weight needed to make 2 kg 800 gram equal to 3 kg is your 200 gram. So children, learn this one how to find out the answer. Okay. Then weight of a strawberry is dash than the weight of a mango. You know strawberry is smaller than mango, so it is lighter. Then weight of a pineapple is dash than the weight of an apple. You know pineapple is bigger than apple, so it will be heavier. Then here you see given 6 number 10 kg 150 gram, and here it is given 150 gram. Here you can see it is given only in gram. Here it is kg. Kg is also there. So this one is heavier. So we will write this one is heavier than 150 gram. The weight of your bag full of books is about 3 kg. Okay. Then dash gram more are needed to make 1 kg 800 gram equal to 2 kg. It is similar to your 3 number. So you can do it here in the same way. Given 2 kg. So as we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kg will be your 2 into 1000. That is your 2000 gram. And here it is given 1 kg 800 gram. So you can find it out. 1 kg 800 gram is equal to 1 kg means 1000 gram plus 800 gram. So it will be 1800 gram. Can you see it? 1000 plus 800 gram, that is your 1800 gram. So it is telling more how much gram more are needed. So what you have to do? 2000 minus 1800. So you subtract it, borrow 10 here, here remain 1, 10 minus 8 it is 2, minus 1 it is 0. So it will be 200 gram. So 200 gram more are needed to make it gram is written, okay. No need of writing gram, so leave it. 200 gram more are needed to make 1 kg 800 gram equal to 2 kg. Okay. Children, as I have written in the book, you have to complete it in your book. Okay. Next, in review exercise, it is given which unit is best to weigh the following, gram or kg. So we will see the object, size of the object and the heaviness and lightness of the object, and we will write gram and kg. As it is small and it is lighter, so we will measure it in gram. Then here this biscuit packet you can measure in gram as it is lighter. The boy you will measure in kilogram. This suitcase you will measure in kilogram. Toffee you will measure in gram, and a sack of potatoes you will measure in kilogram. So here you can write it is an eraser, it is your biscuit packet, it is your boy, weight of the boy is measured in kilogram, it is your suitcase. The question can come, what is the weight of a boy is measured in dash, gram or kilogram. So you can give the answer. The weight of a toffee is measured in gram or kilogram, or a sack of potatoes. So you can write in your book like this. So it will be easy for you to learn the thing. Then it is given how much do this weigh. So you have in the left pen the gram is the weight is given, so you see and write. Like weight of toffees is dash gram, here it is given 100, you can write 100 gram. So this you will do by yourself. Take the correct appropriate weight. So this teddy, it will be 200 gram. This helmet, it will be 400 gram. This gift maybe 1 kg. Biscuit packet 100 gram. This chair 5 kg. Okay. So this is your weight chapter. Do it in your book. Thank you.